Hello everyone, my name is Aman Sharma and I am your mentor for CSC at Yourpedia. So today we will be discussing a question asked in HPCL interview. So the question that was asked is, you have to solve this recurrence relation T of n is equal to T of root n plus n. Now as you can see, there is a root n function between the T. So you cannot apply the master theorem. And if you go to the more the methods that we normally use, like the tree method or the substitution method, this question will become very lengthy. So what we will try to do is, we will try to convert this into a form where you can apply the master theorem. So let's try this question. The question is T of n T of root n plus 1. So we will be doing some substitutions in order to convert this question where we can apply the master theorem. So let's start this. So first of all, the first application is, now here there is n, there is a root n. Now you have to convert this in such a way that there is no power on it. So let's say you put n is equal to 2 raised to power k. So wherever there is n, you will substitute the n with 2 raised to power k. So let's say T of 2 raised to power k is equal to, now if n is 2 raised to power k, n raised to power 1 by 2 will become n raised to power k by 2, n raised to power, 2 raised to power k by 2. So 2 raised to power k by 2 plus 1. Now again, the thing that is between t is 2 raised to power k. Again you cannot apply the master theorem. Again we will be doing one more substitution here, which is we will put t 2 raised to power k is equal to s of k. Now whenever you find t 2 raised to power k or something like that, you will replace it with sk. So what we will be doing is, we will be replacing this t 2 raised to power k with sk. Now if t 2 raised to power k is sk, then similarly t 2 raised to power k by 2 will become s of k by 2. So s of k is equal to k by 2 plus 1. Now this is a form on which we can apply master theorem. Now it is very easy to solve this. How you can solve this using master theorem? S of k is equal to s of k by 2 plus 1. Now for master theorem you will compare, this is a 1 here. Now a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. So you will compare k log ba, k log ba with this function. This function is, let's say, f of n. Now if you put value of a and b, log 2 1, which is equal to function of f of 1 is 1. Now which is equal to k log 2 base 1 is 0, k raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Again 1 equal to 1. Now these are asymptotically equivalent. Now if n log b by a and f of n comes to be asymptotically equal, then what we do is, we use the third case of master theorem. That is, the answer will be n log ba and log n of k plus 1. So if you compare this, n log ba will again be, now k is there, so k log ba, k raised to power 0. Now f of n here is 1 and power of log here is, if you want to write it down, power of log k here is 0. So what we will do is, we will increase the power of log k by 1. So what it will be, log k 0 plus 1, which will be equal to k raised to power 0 log k, which will be equal to simply log k. So the answer to this relation, s of k is equal to s of k by 2 plus 1, the solution to this is s of k will be equal to log k. Now this is our answer, s of k is equal to log k. Now but we have to find the answer in terms of t of n. Now in order to find t of n, we will make the substitution that we made earlier. We made the first substitution as n is equal to 2 raised to power k. The second substitution was t of 2 raised to power k was made s of k. So we made these substitutions in this order. Now we will remove these substitutions in this order, in the opposite order. So first of all, wherever you find s of k, you will put t 2 raised to power k. You will not touch this k because the substitution is made on s of k, not k. So wherever you find s of k, then only there you will replace it with t 2 raised to power k. You will not touch k because the substitution was on sk, not k. The k substitution is this. When we come to this substitution, then only we will replace it. So what we will putting here is n 2 raised to power k is equal to log of k. Now the second substitution is, the first substitution that we made is n is equal to 2 raised to power k. So wherever you find 2 raised to power k, you will replace it with n. So here 2 raised to power k is there, you will replace it with n. Now you can find k here, but not 2 raised to power k. So if you do a little math here, n is equal to 2 raised to power k, taking log both sides, you can say that log n will be equal to k. So if you find a k somewhere, put log n in place of it. So what will be there? Log, and in place of k you will put log n. So the answer to the substitution will be t of n is equal to log n. So this will be the answer to our this recurrence relation. T of n will be equal to, simplified answer will be log n. So I hope you understood the concept, how to approach these types of question, and if you are not able to apply the master theorem, how you can convert your given recurrence relation in such a way that you can apply the master theorem to it. So I hope you understood the question. Keep following for more such interesting questions like this. So thank you and keep watching.